Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing something a little different. All four of us will be building together. We have this set here. This is the LEGO Brick-Built Bluey Family, set number 11217. Each of us will be building one member of the healer family. So let's see who builds theirs best. This set has posable arms, hands, tails, and the faces are swappable. You can change their eyes and the snout to give them different expressions. How cool is that? It also comes with a xylophone, unicorns, a little bonfire with 2 marshmallows on sticks, a long dog, a camera, Bluey's asparagus, Bingo's juice, and an ice cream cone. Also a watermelon. Okay, everyone's got their pieces. Time to build. I'm building Mom, which is Chili. She's the heart of the healer family. She has this warm orange color and a really sweet expression. Mr. Bigfoot, how's Bandit going?
Bandit's looking good. Bigger than I expected, though.
So Mr. Bigfoot is building Bandit, the dad. Bandit has this slightly wider build and a blue-gray cool color. The cool thing is, all 4 figures use the same base structure, but the colors and facial expressions make them totally different. And now let's check on the boys. Our oldest is building Bluey.
Give me a tail and a wheel.
That opposable tail is actually one of my favorite features in this set. It gives each character so much personality. Our youngest is building bingo. was fast. Look at her, that bright blue and that light blue chest. So cute.
Bingo's smart butt is cute.
And there's Bingo. The red-orange color is perfect. Okay, everyone's finished. Let's see the full Healer family together. Here they are, the full Healer family in LEGO. Mom, Dad, Bluey, and Bingo. This set turned out great and was so fun to build, especially because we all got to do it together. So who built theirs best? I'm not picking favorites. You'll have to tell us in the comments. If you like this video and you want to see more family builds, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a build. Let us know in the comments who built their character best. Was it Mom, Dad, Bluey, or Bingo? And let us know what you'd like to see us build together next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!